Did you know we should eat 3 servings of colorful vegetables every day? And broccoli is one of my favorites. It's low in calories, it has vitamins and minerals, it has fiber, and our broccoli with garlic stir fry makes a yummy, healthy side dish in no time. Let's make it. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands. First, we need to wash our broccoli. All right, now that our broccoli is washed, we need to prepare it. So I'm just going to take our broccoli and cut the heads off of it. And if you want to, you can just pull this apart and make it into bite-sized pieces. All right, we're gonna need about 3 cups of this broccoli. Okay, so I'm just gonna measure this out roughly. There's 1, there's 2, and 3. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to our skillet. We're gonna include our broccoli. We're gonna add 3 cloves of minced garlic and 1/4 of a cup of water. I'm gonna give this a quick stir and cover it and cook it for about 2 minutes on medium high. All right, we've been cooking for 2 minutes. You're gonna wanna remove the lid and continue cooking for about 3 more minutes or until all the water is gone and your broccoli is soft. Now you're gonna wanna stir this so that your garlic does not burn. All right, it's been about 3 minutes and our broccoli is ready to serve. I'm just gonna plate it up in a bowl for the family to enjoy. And then just season it with a little salt and pepper to taste. Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.